Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with
ito yung ginagawa nila dito, yun o. Ito, tulay. Anong tawag ito? Tulay, culvert, yan o.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go.
Kita na yung release dito. Ayan o. Lawak dito o. Tsaka mayroon silang mga ano dito, geotextile.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Sa kabila.
They wanna rise up while you drown.
So naglatag sila ng geotextile.
Fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like a lose.
Ganon kalaki itong ano nila dito. Tinatambakan. Yan o. Lapad. Lapad nito. So nandito na sila. Ito yung Lubao, Guagua, Minalin Bypass Road. Yan. So yun yung ginagawa nilang ano dyan. Tulay. Meron tapos yung tulay, culvert. Yan o. Dito kasi palaisdaan kasi ito. Sinambakan nila. Dito naglagay na sila ng ano dito, no? Geotextile. Nilatagan nila ng geotextile yung dito. Landas nila. Lalim na dito.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble.
Wala na yung mga nakatambak dito, madami. Ito na lang natira. Dati napuno to eh. So palabas na tayo dito, no? Galing sa ano. Tatawid na tayo dyan, MacArthur Highway na
I
yan.
want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built
Tawid
to.
tayo dyan, diretso sa kabila. Puntang NLEX naman yan. Karugtong dito, sa may bypass road na dito, no? Yan. So yan, dire-diretsuhin lang yan. So dito, lapad din dito yung entry ng ano na to, bypass road.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Yung
statement.
billboard
I
dito
don't
na.
ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love
Dito.
for the
So ito yung entry dito, no? Yan, diretso yan. So dyan dadaan niya.
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being
Yung magkaroon ng crossing dyan.
this confidence, dreams, and some
Nandito, ito na yung ano, no?
say the day. That's where you
Na-espalto na nila
play
dito.
a million mind games, but instead of say
Ano?
something not illogical,
Dito tayo.
something that is topical. Rub it on
Pwede
and watch
siguro
it go.
dadaan dyan sa espalto, no?
Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always
Yan,
possible.
kasi may mga bakas ng gulong eh.
Be so remarkable. Thoughts
Dito
in
na
my
lang
head,
tayo.
a collage and they spread. I'll be
Pero yung asfalto nila,
going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving
may
up.
kanal
No,
sa
I'm
gitna.
not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the
Yan,
wind.
may
I
kanal
gotta
sa gitna.
make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that
Ano
I've
ba ito?
never
Testing pa lang ko o ito na yan? Kung alam, no?
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Dahil doon sa ano, ongoing na rin yung tambak nila papunta ng ano, no? Doon sa may papuntang Lubao. Pero hindi pa talaga nagdire-diretso dyan bago makarating doon sa may maraming palaisdaan. Ito yung ano, yan o.
No, I don't take shit.
Yung paliko na to.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ito yung mga palaisdaan to dito. Diyan sa unahan kasi dyan na po yung ano, no? Yung ginawa nilang bagong cantilever bridge. Siguro tapos na nila ano, tulay, culvert o anong tawag nun dyan sa unahan. So dito, ayun. So yan po yung MacArthur Highway. Yan. So dyan sa may MacArthur Highway, siguro magkakaroon dyan ng ano, crossing. Or lalagyan nila ng ano dyan, no? Stoplight. Dahil ito, government naman to. Tapos yung MacArthur Highway, government. Kaya stoplight or roundabout ilagay nila dyan. Yan. Crossing na yan, yan, oh. Intersection. Pero malapad yan, oh. Malapad.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My
Ganun.
thoughts get
So ilang, siguro ko lang abot ba ito ng 1 kilometro papunta doon sa may NLEX. Itong ano na to. Bahagi. So mamaya tingnan natin kung hanggang saan itong yung ginagawa nilang espalto
I
dito.
might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go. So
May lumang ano, di ko lang alam na yung luma na factory yan. Hindi mo. Mayroon silang pugon. Hindi kaya parkingan ng ano yan. Jet fighter yan.
just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt peace?
So, ito yung na-espalto na nila. Pag titingnan ko yung asfalto nila, 1, 2, 3, nasa ano to? Pwede gawing 4 na lane, magkabilaan. 8. Kung punuin nila itong kalapad nitong bypass road na to, lapad nito. Nasa gitna pala yung ina-asfalto nila. Yan, oh. Hanggang dyan sa dulo. So, dito yan, banda na yan, oh. Kita na yung Mount Arayat. So dyan na po yung tatawid itong bypass road na to. Yan. Diyan sa unahan na yung pinakalitis nilang ginagawa na ano, tulay or culvert ang tawag dyan. Yan yung Mount Araya to. Dito nilagyan nila ng ano, ayan o, labasan ng tubig. Kung naalala nyo dati, itong semento nila. Nung dati kasi nagbibiyak-biyak kasi ito eh. So doon no, papunta dito sa pispan yan. Ganun siya kahaba, taas dito hanggang doon. Yun yung NLEX oh. So nilagyan nila ng ano, parang daanan ng tubig. So magkabila no, magkabila nilagyan nila ng ano, yan oh, exit sa tubig. Kasi nalalo na dati yung doon banda oh, talagang binibiyak to eh. So ito yung naka-asfalto pa rin dito. Kasi magkabila dito, pispan. Ayan o. Mayroon na naman dyan o. Ayan. Dito. So hanggang dito pala yung ina-asfalto nila. Ayan. Itong bypass road na to ha, 2018 pa ito nagsimula. Ito. Kasi ano kasi ito, multi-year project. Kumbaga segment-segment, putol-putol. Kumbaga ngayong taon na to, itong pupunduhan. Tapos sunod taon na naman, yun naman pupunduhan. So ganun ang nangyari dito. Ayan o. Dami nilang nilagay. Ito na yung natapos na nila. Yo!
Take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Mayroon na sila yung ngipin, parang ngipin. Kasi habang kasi ang pag tag-ulan, tag-init, nagbabago kasi yung ano, para sa stressing, no? Para gumagalaw yung tulay. Yan. Ilagyan nila. Nung last time nagpunta dito, no? Itong dito sa may dalawa yung tulay dito magkasunod eh. Maliliit na tulay. Yung pagdugtungan nila, binabakbak nila uli yan. Siguro naayos na siguro ngayon. Mataas na, nag-level na ito. Doon sa tulay. Yan na. Naayos na yata. Tsaka ongoing na rin pala doon banda. Pataasan na rin nila. Ayan o, ito yung mga binabakbak nila.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the news
Ito naman yung isa.
I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no.
Nung natakpan na nila, naayos na nila yung mga binabakbak nila ito. Ayan o. Dati kasi yung madugtungan dito. Ayan o. Tinutuklap nila ito eh. Na. Dito, lalim ng alikabok oh. Mayroon na naman silang ina-asfalto dito. Ayan o. So, ina-asfalto na naman nila dito. Ayan o. Bago pa lang. Ayan o. Bago pa lang. Yun o. Ilang metro din to. Dito mapansin natin o. Mayroon na naman silang nilagay dito na para ano. Ayan o. Labasan ng tubig. Magkabila. Nung last nagpunta tayo, hindi pa ito ganito no. Ngayon nag-improve na. Tinaas na nila. Ayan, makita na yun no, mga equipment dyan. Yan o. So, yan dyan tatawid sa NLEX yan. NLEX na yan, may ano na yan, may mga sasakyan. Kita natin dyan, yan, NLEX na yan. Kung mapansin nyo dyan, parang bilog yan dyan eh. Kasi magkakaroon kasi dyan ng ano, on-ramp at off-ramp. Dahil index ngayon, may toll gate, lalagyan na ng toll gate dyan. Tapos ngayon, ginagawa nila dyan, yan o, para sa tulay siguro yan. Para tatawid sa NLEX. Ngayon, kung papasok ka ng NLEX, dadaan ka doon, iikot ka. Dadaan ka doon sa off-ramp, on-ramp, yan. Kaya kung mapansin natin yung itsura dyan, parang pabilog yan dyan banda eh. May pabilog. So mayroon silang drilling na ginagawa dyan. Ano, lapad talaga nito. Tsaka inano na nila yung sa gilid, o tinambak na nila. Ayan, pinapatibay na nila yung gilid. Ayan, kita natin doon sa dulo. So mukhang ongoing yung construction nila dito para sa ito gagawing tulay dyan. Pagtawid diretso sa kabila. So ito po yung pinaka-latest dito sa ginagawang Lubao, Guagua, Minalin, Santo Tomas Bypass Road. Yan o. So tuloy-tuloy na yung ano nila dito. Ang lalim mo.
You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Niya pa dito. Kita yung ano, bakas ng aso, lalim ng alikabok yun. So dito. Yan, kita na natin yung mga ano dito no, mga equipment. So ongoing yung trabaho nila dito. Diyan, NLEX na yan. naglalagay sila ng ano para sa tulay. Dahil dyan paikot yung ano dyan kalsada para sa on ramp off ramp. Yung sa kabila mayroon ng anong tawag dyan, beam. Dito naglalagay pala sila ng poste. Mayroon silang drilling. Yan. Mahaba itong gagawin nila dito. So ito po yung dito sa kabilang side nitong Lubao, Guaguaminalin, Santo Tomas bypass road. Sunny. You know, lapad Meron na silang nilagay ng mga steel beam doon, So tuloy-tuloy lang yung gawa dito sa na to, bypass road na ito. Tingin tayo dito kung gaano tayo kalapit. Ayan, inlex yun yung mga poste. Hataw yan, inlex na yan.